Hey everyone! Today we have two incredible expansion packs from ACEBOTT, the ESP32 Camera Car and the AI Vision Car. These are powerful upgrades for the smart car series that open up a whole new world of exploration. Let's dive right into the unboxing, assembly and testing. First, let's look at the ESP32 Camera Car kit. Inside the box, you'll find the comprehensive info card, an awesome ACEBOTT sticker, the ESP32 cam module itself, a set of acrylic sheets, the necessary nuts and bolts, and the wiring harness. It's a clean, well-organized package. Now for the assembly. We'll begin by mounting the ESP32 CAM module onto the chassis. I'm using the provided screws to fix the tilt servo mount securely. Next, we connect the wiring to the motor driver and the main controller board. It's a very straightforward process. No soldering required, just precise connections. Once everything is mounted and tightened, we connect the USB cable to power it up. With the hardware ready, we sync it with the smartphone app. As you can see, we have full real-time video transmission. The car is now FPV capable, meaning we can drive it using the camera feed directly from our phone. It's incredibly responsive and clear. Moving on to the AI Vision Car, the star of the show. Unboxing this, we have our info card, another ACEBOTT sticker, the advanced AI camera module, the nuts and screw pack, the recognition cards, acrylic mounts, and even these fantastic laser-cut wooden traffic signs. Building the traffic signs is actually pretty satisfying. They slot together perfectly. For the car assembly, we mount the AI camera module onto the existing servo mechanism. This camera is powered by a high-performance chip designed for real-time processing. After securing the module and running the final wire connections, we power it up to reveal the welcome screen on the built-in display. Now for the testing, which is where this kit really shines. Connecting to the app, we open the control interface. There are over 10 AI features available here. First, let's test the RGB light control. We can change the lighting intensity of the car's LEDs directly from the app interface. Next, we move to number recognition. Watch as I hold up the number card. The AI detects the 1 instantly and highlights it on the screen. It's fast and accurate. Following that, we test the color tracking feature. When I present the red card, the camera locks onto the color. The same goes for the traffic sign detection. The car identifies the go straight or turn left signals and reacts accordingly. Finally, let's see the advanced capabilities. QR code recognition, object recognition, and face recognition, where it registers and tracks a face in real time. We'll finish with the visual patrol mode, where the car follows the path autonomously. These kits are a fantastic way to bridge the gap between simple DIY projects and advanced robotics. You can find the links to purchase these kits in the description below, and please make sure to use my coupon code ANKIT at checkout to get a special discount on your order. Thanks for watching and keep building.